After a huge vacation, I am back with the tech dudes. We now have a Redmi Note 6 Pro with us, and it was proudly sponsored by Baby, chilla kutti.
Review தவிர எல்லாத்தையும் பண்ணடா.
Okay, now we are getting into the box. We are actually given with a charger, a cable. Further going deep into the box, we find a SIM ejector tool. இன்னும் வித்தியாசமா யோசிக்கிறாங்க. Okay. Oh, there is a manual. Okay, there is also a transparent case. Oh, this is a black one. The booting time was really fast, and the notch in this phone is similar to that of Redmi 6 Pro. There is an MI logo at the back of the phone. On the top of it, there is a fingerprint sensor as of the previous models, and there is also a dual camera with dual LED flash. There is a 3.5mm audio jack with an IR blaster. The IR blaster is used for the remote control and all. Towards the left side, there is a SIM tray, and here is the SIM ejection tool. Let's pop them up. This is a hybrid SIM slot. We can either use two SIMs or one SIM plus one memory card. In the right side, we have the power button and the volume rockers. Towards the bottom, we have the charging port, which is not a Type-C charger, so it does not support fast charging. We also have the speakers at the bottom. In the front, we have a dual camera, a microphone and the face recognition sensor. Speaking about the phone's body, the dimensions are 157.9 into 76.4 into 8.3 millimeters. The weight is 182 grams. Now speaking about the phone's display, as usual it is IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display of 16mm colors. The size is 6.26 inches. The screen to body ratio is 81.1% and the aspect ratio is 19:9. So we can watch the videos in full HD. The resolution is 1080 into 2280 pixels. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. Xiaomi has promised to give an update for it. It will be updated for Android Pie. And the UI used is MIUI 9, which can be updated to 10. Now speaking about the platform, it runs on Snapdragon 636 and it has an octa-core processor with frequency 1.8 GHz. The graphics used is Adreno 509. The phone comes under 3 variants, 4 and 6 GB RAM with 64 GB and 3 GB RAM with 32 GB. Now speaking about the back camera, it is of 12 megapixel and a focal length of 1.9. It also has a depth sensor with 5 megapixel and a focal length of 2.2. The video can be recorded at 1080p at 30 frames per second. The front facing camera has 20 megapixels with focal length of 2.0 and it also has a depth sensor with 2 megapixels and a focal length of 2.2. The video can be recorded at 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second. We have attached some samples. It has a non-removable LiPo battery with 4000 mAh. And speaking about the colors, it comes in black, blue, rose gold and red. Thank you for watching this video. Hit like if you like this video, but don't dislike. Do comment about our video and comment about this phone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, The Tech Dudes.